Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my kitchen. It's been a while. Today I am making pickled vegetables, so Achard Lisou. I know we've had a video of this before, but this is my new updated recipe. Let's get right to it. Three main ingredients in your Zasar Lisou is cabbage, French beans, and some carrots. The first thing that you want to do is chop off your cabbage and remove the first layer because that's all nasty. And then chop it in half. It's best to have someone very strong like Joel to do this because he definitely helped me out. So let's chop this off. The next thing that I'm moving on to is the French beans. What I like to do is just split them in a quarter. So you want to have them long and then a quarter on each side. And the quantity actually depends on how many cabbages that you have. So how many cabbages you have, I'll have about a quarter of the French beans. Once you've done chopping off your veggies, just add in some salt. So don't worry about the size right now. I know it looks intimidating. Everything is going to shrink down. But first, the reason why I'm putting the salt is so that all the water from the vegetables actually comes out, and we want that to be removed. We want to drain it all out after. So let this sit for about an hour. The reason why we're doing this is that all the juices and all the water from the veggies is just gonna come out, and then we want to strain that out. And honestly, the reason why we're doing this is so that the Zasar Lisou is not like wet or like chop, I guess, when you're eating it in your baguette or on your side. So let's wait this out for about an hour. So I had to put half of this in another bowl just because I couldn't mix it properly when I added in the salt. So now if you can see closely that all the waters came out from the veggies, and we'll just have to drain this out. See at the bottom, there's water coming out. That's what you want. So leave it for about 10 minutes. So I combined both bowls together and it all fit in just one. Now I have garlic, so minced garlic. I like to put minced garlic in this rather than big chunk of garlic, just so that it marinates a lot better, and that whenever you're having a spoonful of this, you don't have that big chunky garlic. You can either mince it or grate it. And now I'm putting in about 2 tablespoons of mustard seed, and they are powdered mustard seeds. 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. With the turmeric powder, you don't want to put a lot, just because when you add in the oil and all the rest of the stuff, it's still a little bit grainy. Have some, just so that you know it's going to melt in with the Zasar Lisou. Next up is the chilies. So you can either have fresh chilies, or like I'm doing here, you can have dried chilies. Now this is completely up to you how much chilies you want to put in. And now combine everything with some vegetable oil. You just want every vegetables, every spice to be coated with oil. And that's what makes it like a pickle vegetable. So this is it. This is my recipe for Zasar Lisou or Achard Legumes. And this, I kept it for about 3 days in the fridge. During the night or during the day, you just mix it up just to make sure that everything is still being coated and still being marinated everywhere. And again, you can eat this with baguette or on the side, or just get creative with it. And thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, follow, and let me know if you've tried this recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.